Okay, this is the adding and subtracting using significant figures video. We are going to start with an example, 25 minus 8.0677. Okay, and this is done in steps. So step number 1 is to complete the operation, meaning do the math. Okay, put it in your calculator and get what you get. 25 minus 8.0677 is equal to 16.9323. There's our preliminary answer right there. Okay. Step number 2. All right. Step number 2 is you're going to round your answer to as many decimal places as the measurement with the fewest decimal places. 9 decimal places. Okay, meaning 25 doesn't have any decimal places. 8.0677 has 4 decimal places. So you're going to round to 0 decimal places. So one way to do this is to say 25, okay, and then put it in line, 8.0677, okay, you get 16.9323, okay, and then you're just going to draw a line down the right side of the number with the fewest decimal places, right like that, okay, and that's going to tell you where you need to round. You need to round the 6, so you're going to look to the 9. And using our rounding rules from the last video, that's going to round up to 17. Okay? 17 is your answer. And the reason is you can only be as accurate as your least accurate number. Okay? 25 is our least accurate number because it has the least number of decimals or decimal places. Okay? So we can only be that accurate. All right, let's do another example. We've got 3.4 plus 6.08 plus 1.007. Okay. So to do this visually, you're going to go 3.4, 6.08, 1.007. You're going to add those. Okay. I'm going to draw a line to the right of the number with the fewest decimal places. Okay, so you're going to go right there to the right of the 3.4. Do your math. Okay, do your math and you get 10.487. And then wherever your line is, that's where you're going to round. So you're going to round the 4, and you're going to look to the 8. Using our rounding rules, we end up with 10.5. Okay, so the fewest, or the measurement with the fewest number of decimal places is 3.4. Okay, it has 1 decimal place, and our answer has 1 decimal place. All right, subtracting is no different. Okay, subtracting is no different. Let's say we have 12.639, and we're going to subtract 3.41 from it. All right, 12.639 and 3.41. Subtract those. You're going to draw your line right there, okay, to the right of 3.41 because it only has 2 decimal places, and 12.639 has 3. And you're going to do your math. You subtract that and you get 9.229. Okay? The number to the left of that line is the one you're rounding. The number to the right is the one you're looking at. So you're going to round the second 2. You're going to look to the 9. Using our rounding rules, you have 9.23 as your answer. Okay? That is adding and subtracting using significant figures.